When I look out into the world, all I see is pain. When you feel enough of your own, you can see it, even when it's hidden. In smiling faces, their eyes reflect where they are. And it's hell. This agonizing empathy makes me watch helplessly. I can't bring them back. I'd save them instead of myself. If only I could. Please, God or universe or whatever holds this power, let my pain not be for naught. Why does empathy only seem to multiply the pain we feel? My own makes me weak, unable to function as I should. So let me take theirs too, God. Make me useless. Make me useless and miserable so they can experience the relief I've resigned myself to never feeling. Please, let me be of use to them. If I can free their burden by holding their pain, I will be content. This pain will finally be of use. This empathy, it's killing me. But I would much rather experience my own agonizing death than watch others live their lives in agony. Make this pain my Sisyphean task. Make me Atlas and let me scream in pain as Prometheus, night after night, instead of hearing the screams of others as I try to fall asleep. I see their pains in the shapes of their mouths, the cradling of their heads, the wiping of their eyes. Let me writhe in agony, God, if that could let them be at peace. And maybe then I would be at peace, despite my pain, for once being free from this agonizing empathy. I know why empathy exists. Feeling this pain allows us to help, but every single time, I have failed. God, I have experienced the betrayal of abuse and the nightmare of speaking out to try to save others. That is the worst pain I have ever experienced. But let me experience it again every second of every day if I could finally succeed in saving someone. Until you grant my wish, God. That is the closest this agonizing empathy of mine has come to saving others. But let me experience it again every second of every day if I could finally succeed in saving someone. Let me steal the pain of the 4-year-old I so desperately tried to save. I failed the ones I had to protect but couldn't. Let their scars appear on my wrists. Continue this agonizing pain so that young woman never lives through what I had to. Let their pain be my own, not as punishment for my failures, but as undeserved amnesty. Please, God, let me have the relief of seeing their relief. Let me take solace in my agony, finally setting them free.